Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to talk about a topic that I know is on the minds of many of you out there. How to stay motivated while trying to lose weight. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, and it's not uncommon to feel demotivated or discouraged at times. But fear not, because I've got some tips and tricks that have worked for me and many others. First things first, let's talk about hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for weight loss, but it can also help boost your mood and energy levels. So make sure to carry a water bottle with you at all times, and try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Next up, let's talk about food. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. There are so many delicious and nutritious foods out there that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Try incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your diet, and experiment with different recipes to find what works for you. Moving on to exercise. Staying active is key to losing weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. But it's important to find a workout routine that you enjoy and that fits your schedule. Whether it's going for a daily walk, hitting the gym, or taking a yoga class, make sure to schedule time for exercise in your day. Lastly, let's talk about mindset. Keeping a positive attitude and staying motivated can be the hardest part of any weight loss journey. But setting realistic goals, celebrating your successes, and surrounding yourself with supportive people can all help keep you on track. To sum up, staying motivated while trying to lose weight is all about taking care of yourself in these 4 key areas: hydration, food, exercise, and mindset. So try incorporating these tips and tricks into your daily routine, and remember that every small step counts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips and tricks help you stay motivated on your weight loss journey. Remember, it's all about taking care of yourself in the areas of hydration, food, exercise, and mindset. And if you're looking for an extra boost, there is a natural supplement that could help aid in your weight loss journey. It's made from all natural ingredients, and that can help with cravings and boosting my metabolism. If you're interested, click the link in the description below for more information. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.